In my last video, I talked about the decision I made to finally get help for my shy bladder. Once I made that decision, I started learning. I found the International Paruresis Association, or the IPA. I read The Secret Social Phobia. I learned about graduated exposure. I learned about the breath hold technique. And just a quick note on breath holding, check with your doctor before trying it. I joined a virtual support group. I attended virtual and in-person workshops, and I started practicing a lot. One of the things I learned from the Secret Social Phobia was that I could practice graduated exposure on my own. And that was a big deal for me because now I didn't have to wait for the perfect situation. I could actually just go out and practice. So all of those things became part of my plan. And I want to emphasize the word my. Everyone's experience with paruresis is different. There's no one-size-fits-all program that's guaranteed to work for everyone. I'm not giving you a prescription here. I'm simply sharing what worked for me. And variations of these approaches have helped many other people with paruresis. But there was one part of my plan that I think made an enormous difference for me: practice. And when I say I practiced a lot, I mean I practiced a lot. Eventually, I took a trip to Las Vegas and decided I was going to practice like crazy for several days. And that's where things got really interesting. I'll tell you what happened in part 3. I'm Michael Hurd, the Shy Bladder Coach. Thanks for watching.